Chapter 4 is supply chain management, involves coordinating and optimizing the flow of goods, information, and finance from suppliers to customer, key delivers, and participant in supply chain management. The first one is globalization, expands markets and sourcing options but increases complexity. The second is technology, innovation like IoT and AI enhance visibility and efficiency. The third is customers' demand rising in expectation for speed, personalization, and service influence supply chain strategies. The fourth is cost management, emphasis on reducing costs through efficient logistic production and inventory management. The fifth is sustainability, growing pressure to adopt environmentally friendly practices influences sourcing and operation. The sixth is suppliers provide raw materials and components. Their reliability impacts that entire supply chain. 7 is manufacturers transform raw materials into finished product efficiently, affects cost and lead times. 8 is distributors manage the logistic of getting products to retailer or customers, crucial for inventory management. 8 is retailers interface with end customers, need to manage stock and response to consumer trends. 9 is customers. Their preferences drive demand and influence supply chain decision. 10 is logistic providers, handle transportation and warehousing essential for maintaining flow and timing. Effective supply chain management requires collaboration among these participants, leveraging technology and data to respond to market dynamics efficiently.